In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize channel permissions on Discord. Channel permissions are the controls that decide who can see a channel, send messages, connect to voice, and manage content. Getting these right keeps your server organized and safe, while making sure people have the access they need. The process is quick, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel second nature. Start by heading to your server and locating the specific channel you want to adjust. Move your mouse over that channel in the sidebar so that the channel options appear. You'll see a small gear icon next to the channel name. Click that gear to open the channel settings. This is where all the fine-tuning happens. Inside channel settings, look for the permissions section. This is the control room for that channel. Here, Discord presents a clear layout of roles and, in some cases, individual members, along with a detailed list of what each can do. You'll notice options like View Channel, Send Messages, Add Reactions, Manage Messages for text channels, and Connect, Speak, or Video for voice channels. Each permission typically has three states: Allow, Deny, or Inherit. Inherit means it follows whatever is set at a higher level, such as the category or server defaults. Take a moment to review what's already set. If your server uses categories, some permissions may already be inherited from the category the channel lives in. That's normal, and it keeps things consistent. When you need to tailor a channel for a specific purpose, like an announcements-only channel or a private staff area, adjusting permissions here lets you do exactly that. When you're ready to customize, use the toggles beside each permission to allow or deny the actions that make sense for that channel's purpose. For example, you might allow View Channel but deny Send Messages in an announcement channel, or allow Connect but deny Speak in a waiting room voice channel. As you make changes, think about the experience you want members to have: clear, predictable, and secure. If something doesn't look right after a change, revisit the same permission section and refine it. Small targeted adjustments are usually all you need. Keep your choices consistent across similar channels to avoid confusion. That's it. Hover over the channel, click the gear icon, go to Permissions, and make your changes. With these tools, you can shape each channel to fit your community's needs while keeping everything orderly and easy to navigate.